Basically, your subconscious came up with me to help you deal. Dig?
Stoicism is, in fact, a noble philosophy.
That's funny.
And Stoicism is characterized by a rejection of pleasure as the standard of human happiness and human felicity.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
Stoicism takes the position that the wise man, the good man, the philosopher, is a man who lives in accordance with nature.
Is this even ethical?
He fears only abdicating his moral responsibility. He is not afraid of pain. He is not afraid of death. He is not afraid of poverty. He is not afraid of any of the vicissitudes of the human condition. He fears only that he should let himself down and that he should be less than a complete human being.
What'd you just say?
According to the Stoics, the only matter of concern to a wise and philosophic individual is the things completely under your control.
He's telling you the truth, man.
There's only one thing and one thing only that you are in control of, and that is you. Your will, your intentions, yourself.
It's all in your head.
In other words, the wise man, the truly philosophical man, is the man who is entirely in control of his own soul, who takes utter and complete moral responsibility for his actions, and is indifferent to everything else.
Do it. I don't care! Yeah, I say you can do it.